Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do Digistore24. It's like ClickBank. If you guys don't know how it is, it's like another affiliate network. But before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload my next video. And if you guys want to know how to do affiliate marketing the right way and show you guys how I promote one of the best affiliate marketing programs, click the link down below so you guys could get access to my free affiliate marketing course. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do Digistore easily and how you guys can actually get started with that. If you guys don't know what Digistore is, it's basically like another affiliate marketing marketplace where you guys could promote all these sorts of digital products, just like ClickBank. But you know, Digistore is getting more popular it's getting more popular to promote products from there. So I wanted to do a video on how you guys can actually get start Digistore and how you guys can actually start promoting some of their products. Alright, so if you guys want to do, just all you gotta do is create a free account and just go to Digistore, and that's it. I already set up an account with them, and I already did a landing page, and I'm gonna show you guys how to promote that page. All right, so what you guys want to do is actually you guys could promote anything from animals to battling betting systems, business and investments, all these sorts of things, email marketing, family and kids, fitness and health, spiritual. And I do promote one of these products in my course. If you guys want, it's like to change your mindset and stuff like that, because that's what I go over. Is the Genie script. So this one is actually a good one. I took it myself. So this is just pretty good to change. I only promote products that I actually bought, or if I see that it's really good and stuff like that, I promote them. So in this tutorial, we're actually promoting on the MIDI core. It's 150 per sale plus 85 commissions on the back end. So that's how much earning estimate is 136 and 50. They don't have an affiliate page, an affiliate support, which I usually do, because it give you like email templates and stuff like that. So if you guys want to do something that has an affiliate support, like right here, this one has an affiliate support page. So when you click on it, it gives you all the data that you guys need, like who to promote it to. Sometimes they do have that, who to promote it to, or to like to give you email templates and stuff like that. And yeah, just click on it. Let's see. Well, you have to put your email address and stuff like that. So let me put mine real quick. Okay, now it's gonna take you to the portal where it tells you the link. Sign up your affiliate link, understand the funnels importance, how it works, stuff like that. And it shows you how they're gonna do it, like the follow-up. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna send you give you guys emails. I have an email list. I want to send emails. Blast, click here. Okay, they do give you emails. All right, email swipes. Yes, they do give you email swipes. Yes, I understand. Show me the email swipes. So some of these actually give you the email swipes, so you guys could do this the right way. Most of the earning actually comes from emails. All right, so that's what I mean. Like in my course, I go step by step on how to actually do it and not to worry about the emails. All right, I mean not to worry about the front end. All right, what you guys want to do is actually get the email. That's the number one thing you guys want to do. All right, a plus is getting a sale on top of that. All right, that's the number one thing you guys want to do, is get the email. All right, that's why I'm saying, like, that's why a lot of people say email is an ATM, because you could cash out whenever you guys want to by just sending one email. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it on this one. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one, but like I said, if you guys want to get some email swipes, which I suggest you guys do, go for one of these that have an affiliate support page. I'm surprised this one doesn't have a affiliate support page, and it has a pretty good amount of sales, but they do have a high. They do have a Yeah, so I'm surprised this one doesn't have an affiliate page, but it's a single payment 1 year, so it's not recurring. 85% of the commissions, people average 188 cents. And let's say the card conversion is 21%, which is pretty good. And yeah, some of these are 28%, 19% conversion rates, 15%. All right, but some of these do, like this one doesn't have a affiliate support page, but most of these do have affiliate support page and will actually have email swipes, so you guys can actually get help on how you guys can actually do that. I want you guys actually to succeed with this, so I suggest to actually get an affiliate support page. All right. Even in my course, I give you guys email templates to promote one of the best affiliate marketing programs. So like I said again, if you guys want to take advantage of that, click the link down below, because I am closing my free affiliate marketing program after I reach my free affiliate marketing course after I reach 300 students. Alright, so if you guys want to continue doing that, if you guys want access to that, click the link down below. So yeah. Alright, so I created a landing page for this one. It's right here, and if you guys want the exact same landing page, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can get access to this and just play around with it. But I basically just said, discover the metabolism trigger that helped thousands of people lose weight fast. The reason why I put that is because in the landing page it actually shows you guys why, what this is about, and that's what you guys should be doing, is seeing their landing page and how you guys can actually get started with that. Like right here, if you click the style, it's going to show you guys all this stuff, but I usually go to see like the results or the testimonials on this. If they have another page for that, so I usually click out to see if it is. So I read my thing, and I basically just copy this, discovered metabolism trigger. That's what I put, but then I put extra stuff. Can I start reading other testimonials of what this product is about? All right, so you guys could look into what their product is about and see which one is good. You guys could even purchase it to see the emails you guys be getting. If you guys want to actually go full in depth with this, if you guys want to promoting this through your email list. So yeah, this is what I basically have right here. So every time someone purchases puts their email, it's gonna be sent to my name, and my email. Alright, discover now. Cool. Submit info. And that's pretty much it. It's going to take me directly to the thing. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually promote this exact same page right here that I have right here. So you guys could promote it, and you guys could use this exact same template. But like I said, you guys need to have email swipes so you guys could actually do it correctly, because the front end is not going to give you guys the good amount of results you guys want. It's in the back end. Alright, so yeah, I started looking up on Pinterest, because this is where you guys want to be promoting it on Pinterest. Get some ideas on like metabolism boosters, diets, how to boost your metabolism. Basically the same thing that they're going to be doing, because that's the metabolism trigger that helps you boost weight. On how you guys could do it, and you guys could easily just copy not copy, but modify the exact same pins that they got here. Alright, and you guys could easily create pins in Canva. Alright, Canva has lots of templates where you guys can actually do it, and it's completely free to get started with Canva. This is where I usually do my pins, stuff like that for my Pinterest account. So this is where I usually get my pins at. But if you guys do not want to do all this hassle of doing it, you guys could easily go to Fiverr and get 100 professional pins for $10, or $5 for 10 pins for viral Pinterest pins within 24 hours, and stuff like that. If you guys do not want to create your own pins, you guys could easily go to Fiverr and do that. I'm gonna show you guys how to create a pin if you guys want to see how I do it. So let me see some pins right here. Alright, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I'm just gonna change up the text and kind of leave it the same way because they already have a pre-built template. So I'm gonna put right here on the blog. I'm gonna tick that off. And you guys could easily put the website's name or whatever your landing page name. So I'm gonna say right here, I'm gonna put, alright, so this one I'm gonna put boost your metabolism by doing the simple trick. So this one I'm gonna put boost your metabolism by doing this simple trick, and take this off, and just put metabolism trigger. Let's see if we could put that. Trigger. Alright, cool. That's pretty much it. And just put your blog's info, and that's it. So that's basically it. Pretty easy, pretty simple to do pins. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just download this pin, and that's pretty much it. Download it, or pay and download. Alright, this one is actually for the pros, but you get my just because of the picture. Let me see if I can find another image. Alright, so I found a picture, but you guys want to match the colors and stuff, but I found a picture so I could show you guys how you guys can actually download. So it's already here, so I'm gonna just pin it onto my thing. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to Pinterest and actually create one real quick. Okay, create a pin and just basically add the stuff there. And what you guys want to do is just easily do this and do a lot of pins. I'm suggesting to do like 4 to 5 pins each day, so you guys could be doing it, and just just do that. Alright, so what we want to do is actually just do metabolism booster. That's what we're gonna put for the title. Oh no, actually let's change this up. Alright, how to boost your metabolism fast. Alright, that's what we're gonna do, fast and easy. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do for the title, and just all you guys want to do is just put your pin right here, easily drag it, and there's your pin. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just write a description on this. Discover how people lose weight by doing this metabolism trick, trigger or trick, whichever one you guys want to do. Alright, trick that and then what you guys want to do is actually create hashtags like metabolism, lose weight, or whatever. lose weight. You guys want to put hashtags so you guys could be looked into more and stuff like that. So that's basically, just keep it simple, don't overthink it, stuff like that. So they click on it, they go on the thing, and what you guys want to do is actually go back to your landing page and get the URL. And I suggest to actually get a domain directly for this. So if you guys want to do that, just get a domain, and you guys could easily get one at GoDaddy for like right now, especially if it's your first domain from GoDaddy, is usually 99 cents, but it's worth it. A domain costs like $15, which is not that bad. All right, for a whole year. So that's it. That's basically it. And all you guys got to do is publish it. Go to a board, create a board or whatever, publish it, and that's basically what you guys got to do. And that's it. All right, that's basically it. After you guys publish it, that's pretty much it on how you guys can actually do that. And just keep doing this. Repeat it for 4 to 5 times a day. So just have your things ready to schedule up. You guys can even do it directly through Pinterest to schedule your pins. So like I said, you guys could create pins on your own or get them through Fiverr. Alright, so there's no excuse to actually not see results with this. Alright, but then again, you guys do have to set up an email sequence in the back end, so I suggest to actually start doing that as well. Alright, but if you guys want to promote another product that have email sequence, feel free to do so, because I didn't do this one because I liked the way it looked and I liked how the landing page was. Alright, but there's other ones that are great, with this, you know, that do have email sequence and have a great landing page as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to take advantage on my free affiliate marketing course, hit the link down below so you guys can actually get access to that, and I could show you guys how to do it step by step. And again, I do have email swipes, I do have everything for you guys, so you guys can actually succeed with this, because I want you guys to succeed. I do not want you guys to fail in your affiliate marketing journey, because I've failed multiple times, which, you know, I should have done everything right in the beginning, but like I said, you guys could do it the exact same way and do that so you guys don't have any falls and stuff like that. So if you guys want to register today, hit the link down below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.